So this resource is called Book Creator. It's pretty self-explanatory. Students create a book. My purpose that I mainly use it for is for summative assessments. I've used it in reading, in poetry, and I've also used it in science. The kids like it a lot. Students are the main audience. However, you could easily make a book to be able to present at PD or something with your coworkers and your peers. The standards for, in terms of my summative assessments, the way that I give it, the standards revolve around alternative ways for students to demonstrate information and also a variety of assessment opportunities. So if you go click Book Creator, so I kind of just did this one messing around to try to figure out how things worked. So this is a book that I actually made for another class. You can see kind of how simple and easy it is. Very user-friendly. You're able to put titles, captions, pictures, kind of however you want to design it. I made this one very simple and very easy. I think kids really liked it. So when you go to create a new book, choose the shape you want, and this is all it gives you. So it's super user-friendly. These are the main two buttons you need. So if you go up here, you decide what media, you can import something, you can take a picture, you can write, text, record, add shapes. If you go here, this is how you pick like your backgrounds. They have all sorts of fancy ones to choose from. The kids really like looking through those. So if you wanted to add text, you could say, just for example, so it puts it there very basic and generally, whoops. And then you go up here and that's where you get fancy. You can make it as big as you want. You can extend, color, background, shadow. You can do just about anything that you can imagine to create it into a fun book. The kids really like this because it's just another way other than a slideshow or just getting up and talking to present their knowledge. And I like it because I feel like with slideshows, kids often put a bunch of information on the slide and they stand there and when they're presenting and they just read from the slide. That's why I like Book Creator, because they think of it more like a book rather than a slide. So they tend to put more visuals. They tend to, instead of reading from it, they have the book up there and then they're talking about it. So that's why I like Book Creator a lot more. And like I said, you can use it also within your school to present things to peers. It's just a fun and kind of easy way to present information or knowledge. Hope you can use this.